don't want to hear about any of that. I really don't care. I don't want to hear about it, bro. There are certain things that as a man, boom, Fort Knox. It should not be coming out of your mouth. I should not be hearing about this stuff. There are certain things you should always just keep private. The first one's your plans. Bro, everybody loves to chirp. You love to talk about them, right? I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that, I'm going to start this, then I'm going to do that. It's like you get more of a high talking about what you want to do than actually doing it. You need to learn how to talk less and execute more, right? You don't want to be the dude that's always talking about their dreams, goals, and ambitions. Keep that to yourself. Write it down in a diary. You need to be executing, right? You need the work to speak for yourself. You want to get something done? Do it. Don't tell anybody else. This takes me to number 2, your bank account. You got to understand that the more money and success you have, the bigger of a target you have on your back, and the faker people will be around you. Whether it's dating, you'll never know if people are dating you for your money. Whether it's friends, you'll never know if they're friends with you just because of the comforts that you can provide. Moving in silence will always be best. And yeah, I'm not telling you to not enjoy your spoils, bro. If you're busting your ass, buy yourself the nice car. Buy yourself the nice watch. I'm not telling you not to do that, but at the end of the day, don't be flaunting in front of everybody. Oh, I racked in another 500K. Oh, I did $1 million this month. Bro, keep it in silence. Number 3, your fears and your weaknesses. Bro, any weakness, any fear that you might have, it doesn't give you strength by exposing it to others. As a man, you don't want anybody to know what could potentially harm you or what could potentially halt you. You don't understand that most people are naturally greedy. They are they always look out for themselves, meaning that if they ever need to step over you and they know how to get to you, bro, they're gonna use it against you. People are twisted and they love to manipulate. Don't be talking about your fears and your weaknesses to others. You learn them, and then what have I always told you? When you know you got a weakness, let's say your weakness is social anxiety, your weakness is this, your weakness is that, you work on that thing. You work on it in silence and make that thing a strength. People won't even know. 4, your family problem. Mainly because just nobody cares, bro. And the people that do care only care because they love to gossip, especially dirty laundry, and they're gonna be telling other people and their other fans like, yo, you remember this dude? Like, bro, as a man, you handle your dirt in private. Number 5, other people's secrets. If your buddy comes to you with something personal, something deep, maybe he effed up and he decided to tell you his weakness, his fear, you should be like Fort Knox. Bro, you take that in, chuck that key, it's like he never even told you anything. You can't do another man dirty like that. Plus, the person you ever spill the tea to, they're never gonna trust you because they'll know like, yo, that dude's a big mouth, bro. You can't tell that dude nothing. And ultimately, number 6, I don't want to hear about your love life, bro. It's just tacky. Nobody wants to know who you've piped and how many girls you've piped. Men that actually have game, they really don't gotta brag. It shows just how they act around women. A man with game is so chill around girls, bro. You can just tell. Like it's like they don't even faze them. They can have a comfortable conversation with them as if they're another person. On top of that, you'll know by the women that they score. If they're scoring 7, 8, 9s, and 10s, chances are this dude has game. You don't even have to flaunt it. Boys, that's it for today, bro. There are 6 things that I think no man should be discussing. See you next time.